Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications.
Hello friends, welcome back to SHRUG and me. Today in this video I am going to show you how to stitch designer wear jacket. This one you can wear it on Kurtis. Let's go in detail. To stitch this jacket, I have taken half meter lining and half meter main fabric. Firstly, fold the fabric into half with 2 folds with 4 layers. Mark length as 17.5 inches. Shoulder as 7 inches. Armhole as 6.5 inches. Now mark chest as 10 inches including 1 inch seaming allowance. This is 1/4 part of the chest round. Now draw armhole curve. Now mark waist as 9.5 inches including 1 inch seaming allowance. This is 1/4 part of the waist round. Now we will see neck part. Here I am taking neck deep as 3 inches for the back panel, and for the front panel I am taking neck deep as 4 inches. Neck width I am taking as 3 inches, and I will draw curves for the both front and back panels as it is round shape neck. Now I will trim on this marked lines. Here all the measurements which I have taken are kurti measurements. If you want little bit loose, you can increase chest and waist measurements 1 inch extra. This is how the two panels will be. Now I will separate front and back panels, and I will take front panel and I will give center slit. Now drafting and cutting is completed on main fabric. Now the same thing I will transform to the lining. Now I will place wrong side of the lining and right side of the fabric, both one on another, and I will conceal the raw edges around the neckline and armhole and sides. In the same way I will do it to the back panel also. After concealing these raw edges, now I will trim these extras. After trimming the extras, now I will give slight notches around the neckline and armhole. Once it's done, now I will bring the inner fabric outside and I will conceal the raw edges which are visible at the end with fold. In the same way I will do it to the back panel also. Finally, I will attach shoulders and sides, placing the both fabrics right side, and I will give stitch towards to the wrong side. After concealing, this is how it looks. I hope you all liked it. This one you can wear it on kurtis or kurtas or on t-shirts. This is the best outfit which you can do with your leftover fabric. Hardly it will take 30 minutes to do drafting, cutting and stitching. I hope you all liked it, and please give your valuable comments in the comment section how it is. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.